I like July. Want to know why? It makes me think of the swimming pool.
It makes me think of a bubbly drink, miles away from that stuffy school.
What a royal scene, all airy green. The month of July calls to my mind.
A sky of blue, deep shadows too, and the deepest, coolest pool you could find.
No need to hurry, no need to worry. Summer hot, but summer is here. Life is sublime, all kinds of time.